What's up? Danny Hayasaka here and Scott Houston, and we're going to walk you through the steps of how to deploy Mago if you bought a brand new device like a Neat Board 50, for example.
So here we go. We have a brand new, just installed on the wall, Neat Board 50, and this is my first time setting up. So right out of the box, we're going to hit continue. That's the joys of a touch screen. We're going to select our Wi-Fi network or wired if you have it. Jump on there and wait for it to connect. Okay, there we go. We are connected to Wi-Fi, checking for updates. Okay, and then we're going to go over to our Neat Pulse. And we see here for the Scott board, generate an enrollment code. We're enrolling. And then I want to make sure that I have the Mago app enabled. And from here, we will select Other and Continue. And we want to select the Mago app, Continue, and then it will launch. Then also appear on the pulse, showing that it is updating or installing. And once that installs, it will generate a activation code for me to put into our Mago Admin Console. Seems my Wi-Fi is as slow as yours was earlier.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now I have my activation code for my Mago license. So let's go and click Activate Device. We're going to insert code, continue. We're going to add new license, enter in our license key. We're going to give our device a name and then add our calendar. We'll join and connect to all of our services. Click continue and go back to a devices list. And as you can see, the board is now loading up for the calendar and everything there. We're going to go back to the board within the admin console, and we're going to see all of those services such as Google and Zoom. With Google, there's going to be a couple of things that we have to do a little bit differently, and this is something we want to pay attention to. So once it's logged in on the admin console, you will also need to go to the board. And if you tap and hold the board up in the left-hand corner here, this will open up a dialog box in the center of your board where you can attach the Google account. And this will allow you to enable instant meetings, but we do have to log in again for Google onto the Neat device. And that is also all part of the agreements between Mago and Neat and Google to make that happen.
And of course, customers don't need to enable any of these. Some customers only have Teams and Zoom enabled. So that's the benefit of Mago, is that you can customize the experience based on your organization, based on your team's workflows and use cases. You can adjust it however you want.
That's right. And then going into, again, if you had policies, you want to adjust policies, all of that is done through our admin console, where we can add background images, we can change logos, we can also insert digital signage or make other minor adjustments onto the device itself. And you also have access to all of your normal settings for camera function or going into the settings of the device as well, if there's anything you needed to change for the board or even on the bar.
So there you go. This is how you enable Mago. If you want to buy Mago licenses, you can ask your resellers and ask them if they're authorized Mago resellers. If they're not, have them reach out to us and we'll get them activated. If you're a reseller yourself and you want to have the ability to sell Mago licenses, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channels, the Mago Meetings YouTube channel or Danny Hayasaka YouTube channel. But again, This is really simple to do. Contact us and we'll walk you through it and help you get Mago set up on your Neat devices. And if you just need to buy licenses, you can buy them directly from our premier online partner, Headset Advisor. They have a click to buy option for the licenses because it's software only. You just need to buy the license and then you'll get that key and you'll be able to do this with your Neat Gen 2 devices. All right, thanks.
Thank you.